Hello guys and welcome to eBay Dropshipping Consultation, and today I'm gonna talk with you about how you can grow your dropshipping business live. We are at live, guys. Let's see who with us today. So we have Naved, we have Paul, we have Kalana. Write in the comment that I can see that you are here. So let's write in the comment, see who here with us today. Let's go guys, let's go. Today we're gonna talk about how you can scale your dropshipping business. I want to do a review on your eBay stores to help you grow larger, to achieve more profit from each store. Just write in the comment that you hear me, that everything is okay. You see me great, you hear me good. Just write in the comment that I can see that everything is okay and we can proceed forward and step forward for this video, because I want to share with you a lot of information today. So just write in the comment that you can hear me and you can see the screen. Let's see. Write in the comment, I see the screen. Come on guys, we have many content to share today. I want to give you a lot of tips about how you optimize your eBay store correctly, about how you do market research to review your store. Just write in the comments that you can hear me and you see me correctly. So let's wait to see the comments. Okay, so everyone can see me. Just type that, just put like an emoji if you can see me and you can hear me. Let's see that everything is going smoothly, and then we will start. Okay guys, so today I want to do with you about it's a free eBay dropshipping consultation about your eBay store, how you can improve it. I'm gonna review with you eBay stores, and I want to show you exactly what is the bad things that dropshippers do and what is the good things that dropshippers do. So without further ado, let's start guys. If you can smash that like button, that we can spread our video for all over the world, it will be amazing. So I will go to Zik Analytics and I want to start with some reviewing about information about eBay dropshipper sellers. If you want me to review your store live today, all you need to do is to send me your username in the chat. Send me your username in the chat, that I will be able to select your store and review it. Meantime, I will start with a first dropshipping store. I will pick a random store, and besides that, what we're gonna do, if you have stores that you want to share with us, that I will be able to review them correctly, you are welcome to share. You are more than welcome to ask all your questions that we have on dropshipping, about optimizing listing, about market research, about multiple stores, about everything. I'm here to help you today the best as I can. Okay guys, we are here to help you the best as we can. So without further ado, I'm gonna start with an eBay seller. I will search for chef knife. And what I'm going to do, I'm gonna open some sellers. I'm gonna review them. I'm gonna give you some tips about how to optimize your items correctly, how you do market research, about basically about everything. You're also welcome to ask any question that you want, that we were able to give you the whole information that you want for your business to help you grow and scale your business. KalDrop is here guys to help you to scale your business much further. So I'm here with a seller called All Null for you too, okay? And we see that they have sell through 300.93, active listing 108, and sold items 325, sell earnings of 5,000, sorry, feedback score 184, successful listing. We see that the rate of successful listing is about 50%, which is good. Sell to above 200 or 150, it's very good for us. It's shows that the seller works correctly. If you don't know what is sell-through is the ratio between the active listing to the sold items. So for example, if I have 100 active listing and 100 sold items, I will have 100 sell-through. If I have 100 active listings, 1000 sold items, I have a rate sell-through of 1000. A lot of people believe that when you have a high sell-through rate, eBay will promote you more. So in this case, to achieve sell-through, okay, to achieve high sell-through rate, what we need to do, we need to upload very good products, okay, winning products, and besides that, we need to delete products that we doesn't sell, because if we have products in our eBay store and the product isn't sell over 1 month, 2 months, let's delete it, because if it will sell after 2 months, 3 months, it will say maybe 1 time per month, 2 times per month, 3 times per month. It's not what we aim into our store. Of course, if the product with high profit, I will keep it on the store. So it depends on the profit of the product. We have a question from Paul. Hey, how will I be able to let my customers order redirect to the suppliers without me ordering it for the customer? So basically, if I understood you correctly, what you're saying is that be able to let my customer orders that redirect to the supplier, like how you can do automatic orders. It's that what you meant, Paul? Like how you can do automatic orders when you get an orders on eBay, it will be proceeds on Aliexpress automatically and will take the address of the client. If I understand you correctly, correct me if I'm wrong on the chat, Paul. Just copy the address of the order, paste it, and do it automatically without you need to do everything. If that is the question, right now we are working on this feature at KalDrop. Right now it's only semi-automatic at KalDrop. We are doing only semi-automatic because, as you know, we can't connect API to eBay. So if I will connect API to eBay, to my dropshipping store, my eBay store, I will get flagged and probably will get blocked by eBay. So right now we just do it manually. We go to the address of the client, copy, and then go to Aliexpress, paste. But I can tell you that in a few months, I think 2 to 4 months, it will be 100% automatic. So basically, when you will get order, KalDrop will do the order for you automatic. We are working on it. I know it's very important. It's time consuming to fulfill orders. But first of all, you need to save your store. So don't connect API softwares like Monitor that doing things that KalDrop aren't allowed to do on eBay, okay? It's very important for you. I hope that I answered your question. If I didn't answer your question, you are more than welcome to write me in the chat. Paul, did I answer your question? If you have also any question that I can help you today, that you come, with questions that you didn't get an answer for that, you are more than welcome to ask me all the questions here in the chat. Please feel free to write anything, guys. I'm here to help you as much as I can to solve your problem. So I'm gonna analyze this seller. If you have some question, I will pause and then I will proceed. Okay? You are no problem, Paul. You are more than welcome to ask me anything you want. I'm here to help you as much as I can to scale your dropshipping business. So let's talk about what is the winning product for me. Because I know that there are a lot of questions how you choose the winning product, how you choose the correct product to upload to your eBay store. So first of all, I want a product that sold over 10 times in the last 30 days. Why I want this? I want this because very simple thing. If the product didn't sold over 10 times in the last 30 days, in the last month, it's not trending, okay? Besides that, I want that the product will be sold already in the last 7 days. And why is that? For example, I have a product that sold over 200 times, okay, in the last month, but on the last week, 2 weeks, last 14 days, it didn't sold even once, or it sold 1 time, 2 times. The product isn't trending anymore. It's not a winning product because it isn't trending. Where we can see it, for example, when the season passed from, for example, from winter to spring. So if I will sell coats that sold on the winter and I will try to sell them on the spring, the quantity of the sold will be decreased significantly. So it's very important to pay attention for that. So winning product, if I want to choose a winning product, above 10 sales per month and at least 1 sale per week. So if I'm going to last month on 30 days sales, I can see here 26, 23, 22, 17, 15, 12, 10, 10, and 10. We see some great products. As you can see, there are here Zik mentioned for VeRo. I want to show you also how you can check if it's VeRo besides KalDrop VeRo checker and besides Zik VeRo checker. And for that I will take a product that I'm already familiar with him, that I know it's VeRo. I hope that I write it correctly. If you have any question, you are welcome to write it in the chat. I will be more than happy to help you. So, as you can see, we have here a VeRo of Zik, but I'm gonna open it anyway to show you how I can check VeRo, because we can't count on Zik or any other software VeRo checker with some simple reason. They alert if it's VeRo or not VeRo by the title. And if, for example, I sell Nike, replica of Nike which is VeRo, and I didn't mention Nike in the title, it won't recognize that it's VeRo. So it's very important to check also manually if the products are VeRo. How I can check if the products are VeRo? As you can see, I have here the title, Hydro Mouse. Also I see it KalDrop, look, Hydro Mouse, VeRo, okay, which is good. But what I'm looking when I upload the product, I want to check is images. So first of all, I'm checking the images to see if I identify some brand name. For example, I can see here Hydro Mouse. Also here, Hydro Mouse, it's hidden. Look, Hydro Mouse, Liquid Lawn. I know that it's Liquid Lawn, so it doesn't matter. And I see here, if you can see, I will try to zoom it. Also here, Hydro Mouse. Okay? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna write Hydro Mouse on Google, and I will try to search a website with hydromouse.com, for example, a website that owns the name of the domain. So I'm going to Hydro Mouse. As you can see, hydromouse.com. Let's click on it, because if this website sells the same product, okay, the same product or a product that's look-alike with domain name of Hydro Mouse, it will probably VeRo. This is the first check. Let's let it load. And as you can see, Hydro Mouse, Liquid Lawn, hydromouse.com, which this product is VeRo. So this is the first check. For example, if you didn't found a product, a website, sorry, with hydromouse.com, with the brand name.com, I will go to Google and I will add trademark, as you can see right here. And why is that? Trademark basically units all the VeRo items with trademark at USA. So I will type Hydro Mouse trademark, the name of the brand, and I will search for trademark.justia.com. Basically, Justia Trademarks, it's a website that contains almost all the trademarks, all the VeRo items that you know you don't want to sell, basically, because you will get VeRo, you can get flagged by it, you can also get a lawsuit from the brand, so we don't want to mess with VeRo items. It's very important to pay attention for that. So we see Hydro Mouses, trademark details. Now what I'm going to search, I'm going to search some things that will be related to the category. For example, I can understand that liquid lawn, it's related to garden, related to grass, related to liquid lawn, okay? So I will search on the statement, goods and service, something about garden. And we can see here plant food, planting soil, plants, garden hose sprayer, sprayer nozzle, grass seed, okay? So I can understand that this is related to the product, okay? It's related to the category of the product. So if I found this product at trademark.justia, it's 100% VeRo, and I'm not going to upload it to our eBay store. So pay attention also for KalDrop warnings and also for Zik warnings, but also check it manually, guys. It's very important for you to check it manually every product, okay? So I'll continue with the process. So here I have a product. Let's open it and let's talk about how I optimize and how I can increase my sales and views, okay? So I can see here images. Let's see how much images he have. Look, he duplicate his images a little bit different with Photoshop, and you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, you have 12 images, which is good, guys. For example, if your listing doesn't have 12 images, add images, because as much as more images you have on your eBay listing, you will get promote better. For example, let's take this listing, same listing, 1 by 1, same amount of sold, same seller, same feedbacks, exactly the same. The one seller is with 11 images and the second seller is with 12 images. eBay will rank the seller with the 12 images above the seller with 11 images. So always try to fill to 12 images. So this is the first rule on optimization. Let's talk about his title. Great Viking fork, super boring kitchen chef knife, original quality hot sales, and with emoji. When we are building a title, we need to think like a buyer, not like a seller. Okay, because if we are think like a seller, probably we are the only one that will buy the product. So let's analyze the title and see what we can remove from the title and add to make it better title. So for example, I will go to fire title, which is a free eBay title builder for free, the best free title builder eBay SEO. Okay, it's also a software that's developed by KalDrop, and I will go to title builder. I'm selling on ebay.com. If you are selling on eBay UK, eBay Australia, and so on and on and on and on, you can select your platform, but I will go to firetitle.com. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to do advanced searches. Let's move it to here. And I will copy the main keywords that describe the product the best as I can. So for example, kitchen chef knife it's better, chef knife, Viking forked, okay, Viking forked knife, I can edit, Viking forked knife, and let's see what else, boiling knife, also describe the product, great. Okay, now what I'm doing, I'm pressing search. What FireTitle do in the background, it's take the most ranked keywords of chef knife, most ranked keywords of Viking forked knife, and most ranked keywords of boiling knife, okay? And I'm going to press search, and it will give me a mix of the most important keywords that I able to use on the title. Okay, it's very important to try to mention 2 to 3 different keywords that describe the product the best. I see Naved Ali has joined us. Welcome Ali, welcome Naved, welcome to KalDrop live webinar. So we are building the title. I'm going to press search, and then look. If I'm a buyer that's looking for buying Viking for super boiling kitchen chef knife, I will probably want write original quality, hot sale, okay, and put this emoji. So basically I can decrease this keywords because I'm 100% sure that no one search for it, okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm gonna just copy the title, I'm gonna paste it, and then I will try to add different keywords that the seller didn't use in his title. And then what I'm doing by that is that I will gonna compete on other keywords. I'm gonna compete with the seller on the same keywords that he and I competing about the keywords, and I will also have another keywords that the seller didn't add to his title, and then I'm increasing my chance to sell, okay, to be ranked above the seller. Okay, if you didn't understand, you are welcome to write in the chat, and I will be happy to help you out. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some keywords. I'm going to delete his keywords that isn't good, isn't searchable on the terms of buyers, original quality, hot sales, and emoji of check. Okay, and I'm going to add some keywords that most of the buyers searched by file title, okay, because all of the information that we see here from file title, it's from eBay, okay. So let's see what we can add to the title, which is describe the product the best. I'm not gonna add some keywords that doesn't describe the product, so pay attention for that. So we have here steel. I don't know if the material is steel. Let's search his specification. Material stainless steel. Okay, that's good. So I can add stainless steel. Okay, the material of the product, which is good. Kitchen, handmade, Damascus, black, blade. I can add stainless steel blade. Okay, it's not a set. Okay, it's sell one by one. It says a cover. Let's see if I have a cover. Pocket, no, I can't add pocket. Okay. Handmade, Damascus, black. Let's see if we have black, but I have room of five characters. So let's see, black. Let's see if it's fit. Yeah, black fit, amazing. And then if I will paste this title, it's much better than the competitor. And why is that? It's simply because I delete these keywords that isn't searchable, look, okay? And I added some keywords that customers are searched. Pay attention for title SEO. It's the most important thing when you upload a listing. Don't estimate in that, okay? Because if you do that, you will get lower sales, and we are here to rank yourself, okay? To boost yourself as much as we can. So it's very important to pay attention for that. So this is about the title, okay? How I build a title exactly from scratch. For example, if this competitor had an amazing title and I'm not able to change anything, okay? You take this title and you tell me, look, Daniel, it's amazing title. I can't add new keywords. He just used all the keywords, the best keywords. So what we're going to do, we're just going to switch a little bit the order. For example, instead of chef knife here, I will add chef knife here. Chef knife, Scred, Viking, Ford, Super, Boeing, Kitchen. Okay, if you see the title here, I will take chef knife and we'll add it to here, just to try to trick Cassini algorithm. Okay, that we have a fresh new title. It will promote us much better than take our competitor title. So it's better if you have an amazing title and you can't build something new. Okay, what we're going to do, we're going to switch the orders of some keywords. If you can also smash that like button, share this live webinar that we can reach everyone, it will be amazing. I want to help as much as we can. I'm here for you dropshippers. You are welcome to smash that like button and write all the questions that you have. Okay, I'm here to help you as much as I can. So any questions that you have on your mind, feel free to ask. I'm here for you guys. So this is about how you build a correct title, and we can proceed about specification, okay, item specifics. On item specifics, it's very important to take the best item specifics that describe the product and not insert some nonsense. For example, okay, I want to add figure ghost. I don't know why did he added it, but why? It's not described everything. It's not described nothing, okay? It's described nothing about the product. So I have here blade features, very sharp, okay? But if I have a knife, it's supposed to be very sharp, right? So I will also delete this one. Function, delete, okay? Basically what I'm going to add just the best specification that describe the product. So for example, figure removed, wood type, Boeing knife, okay. Number of items in the set 1 or 2 depends, okay, I will leave that. Knife type, good. Blade features, we'll remove that. If the blade feature was like adjustable or like a pocket knife that you can take it from your pocket and then it will open the knife, okay, it's blade features, but very sharp, it isn't a feature. It's the purpose of the blade to be very sharp, okay. Function, also decrease, remove, sorry. Shipping free, removing also, because we have already here the shipping. Okay, this one does not ship to Israel, but I will be able to see the shipping here. Okay, so I don't need to edit. Also set includes, it's good. Model, why I should add some model. Okay, it's not important. We don't have any model because I'm selling unbranded chef knife, so you don't have any model. Custom model, no. Good material, good type, good. It's supposed to be quality, 100% quality. I will be also remove that. MPN does not apply. Okay. Food compatibility. Okay. Origin, good. Now look how I can add some more images. More specification about the product. So we have here the images, and look things that he didn't add to his specification, which are very important: blade length, blade width, thickness, length. Okay, material he added, but these things are very important because when I'm buying a knife, I want to know the length, the blade width, the thickness. Okay, I want to know details about the item that I'm buying, and if I don't have these details about the item that I'm buying, I'm not gonna buy it. Okay, you're not gonna buy a surprise box that you don't know what's include the box. You want to know exactly what's in the box, and then you will buy it. Okay, same as you do your SEO listing. Insert as much as you can specification about the product which is relevant. Don't add free shipping, yes, customer service 24 hours a day. Okay, just add specification about the product exactly. It's very important, guys. So this is about how you optimize your listing. We talked about the title, we talked about the image, and we talked about the item specification. What I want to do right now, I want to show you how you can find a good product. I see here Bulunji Neo. Hey Daniel, hey Neo. I hope I said that correctly. If not, forgive me. Welcome. As I told before, you guys are welcome to ask any question that you have, any problem that you are facing with it. I'm here to help you scale your dropshipping business, to help you achieve more sales, more traffic, and develop your business much further. This is the purpose, the main goal that I'm here today, to give you all the best that I can. So let's show this question. We have a question. It's been a month since the purchase of one of my products. Should I delete it or you recommend something else? Okay, so if you have a product and it's sold only, it doesn't matter how much it's sold, but it didn't sold above a month, what I recommend you is two things. The first thing is try to optimize the title again, because maybe you have a lot of competitors on the titles. Maybe you can add some item specifics, okay? To try to do that, maybe decrease a little bit in the price, $0.5 or $1. But if you do what I said right now and it still doesn't work, you have another choice. You can delete this product, like you just press end listing, and then you relist it. Do the optimization from the start, give him another month. If after these two process of steps, the product didn't sold, what you need to do is you just need to delete the product, okay? Don't attach in emotion to any product. If something isn't work, delete, restart, okay? We are always want to optimize our store. Don't attach emotionally to any product. It's very important. I had one guy from Fiverr, he taught me to add keywords on image, options, tags. It's not help very much the SEO. If you want to do best SEO for images, it's very simple. And I will show a method of SEO on images and how you can increase your conversion rate. So let's take, for example, this product. So first of all, for eBay SEO, for images, always add 12 images. If you don't have 12 images from the supplier, take from the description. If you don't have from the description, take from the customer feedbacks. Always fill the images to 12 images, because when you fill the images to 12 images, what happens exactly, eBay will rank you higher because you have more images, and then Also, the clients will be able to see more images of the product from different angles, and then he feels more comfortable to buy the items. This is the first tip. The second tip is I told you to add images from different angles, and the third tip is to mix, to organize the images from the best image at the top, the main image, to the most ugliest image at the last one. And why is that? If I'm a seller, I'm a buyer, I will look at this image. Okay, great image, amazing image, and sometimes maybe around 4 image, 6 image, I will be stopped. And I will decide myself if I want to buy the product or not want to buy the product. If I will put the ugliest images at the start, he will be already remove the product from his head. For example, if you see, you see a product and the images looks blurry, you will skip about the product and will search a new one. Same as the buyer. Put your best images first and the ugliest images last. Very important. Another question from Neo. How can I add SEO on my eBay listing for Cassini on HTML or on more item specification? Okay, so I talk about it, but I will repeat it about very short. On the item specification, add specification that it's important about the product. For example, knife length, blade material, blade width, blade length, thickness, hardness, weight, maybe some of the packages. We can see Rockwell hardness, weight, models, doesn't matter. What else? This is what we need to add. Don't add free shipping gifts. And about SEO description, just write your description, okay? You can copy it from Aliexpress, the description without the images, pay attention without the images. But what I recommend you is really invest your time on the specification and the title, okay? Because this is the most important thing. How can I be unique on search result when I search for something? I see that the top 6 results have the same main photo. Do you recommend using the same main photo or something else? This is amazing question, to be honest. Think about a word that everyone sell the same item with the same image, and I will be the only one that sells the same item, same price, different image. You will, in 90% will purchase the image for me. So always try to be unique. If it's on the title, if it's on the image, if it's on the specification, description, and more, always try to be unique. Try to take what our competitors did and how I can do a version 2.0 instead of version 1.0 like our competitors. So try to think about how I can, step out of the box and try to be unique, try to be creativity as much as you can, guys. It will help you tremendously, okay? It will help you a lot. Let's see another question. What are the other platforms we can use for dropshipping? Basically, I mostly recommend you to start dropshipping at eBay. If you talk about platforms, for example, eBay, you can do Shopify, you can do WooCommerce, but Shopify and WooCommerce, it's for more experts because you need to do some advertise on Facebook or on Google. Then you need a starting budget which is high. So I highly recommend you to start at eBay, guys. It's very simple. You don't need to invest a lot of money. Basically, you don't need to invest $1, just need to invest $0, so it's not investing, and just upload products, get sales, and once you get sales, order the product to the client, and that's all. Very simple, very easy. And of course, when I'm saying it says that it looks simple, it's not that simple, but be sure to check KalDrop YouTube channel that we are here to check. We have a lot of video tutorials to help you get more sales, to boost your sales on your eBay dropshipping store. So this is for today, guys, how you optimize a product from the title, from the image, from the item specification, okay, to do more SEO to your product. Because if we will increase our SEO of the product and if we will invest our time there, what will happen is that we will rank higher and we will achieve more sales. So be ready to invest your time, work hard, and the result will come. Build a good title, put good images at the start, bad images at the end, 12 images for each listing. On the item specific, add specification that it's important to the product. Don't add something that isn't important for the product. For example, free shipping, yes. Add material, stainless steel. Set include, for example, knife and the cover. Okay. This is it for today, guys. I was Daniel, the CEO and co-founder of KalDrop. I was very happy to help you through this webinar. I will highly appreciate if you can smash that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and share this video. We're gonna do each week a webinar to help you. So I will be happy to see you next week with a lot of questions that we are able to help you scale your dropshipping business. So this is it for today, guys. Bye bye, and thank you very much for attending this webinar.